guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jhayanne. So for today's video, I am going to try and make a DIY mask or home remedy mask. So these ingredients, you can find it at home or in your house, in the kitchen. So I am going to use 3 ingredients for today: coffee, lemon, and sugar. So I will put it on my face and try it, leave it for a few minutes, and I will tell you the result. Just check the description box. So let's go, guys. So I have a bare face and I'm going to put the face scrub, the coffee I made this morning, and let's start it. Use our hand. Don't put it to your face too hard because the coffee is kind of hard together with the sugar. And I can smell the. So this is how I look like. I also put some on my lip and all over my face. So I use coffee, lemon, and brown sugar. So here's the result of the coffee scrub on my face. It feels clear, clean, and glowy. So it's smooth also. So you can try doing this. I think it works for me on my skin. So I'm happy with the result, and I'll put on the description the benefits of the ingredients I use for it. So please don't forget to check the description box and subscribe on my channel for the next videos. Thank you guys for watching and see you all. Bye!